Discover our lightweight weed trimmer, easy enough for seniors to use one-handed. It's 3 times more efficient than regular trimmers, clearing 10 acres in just one morning. We promise a full refund if it gets tangled and stops working. Plus, a full refund for any quality issues within 10 years. Equipped with a powerful 1880W pure copper brushless motor with 68% thicker copper wires, it shreds weeds instantly and cuts through 5 centimeters branches in 2 seconds. It comes with a 220V ternary lithium battery, offering 8 hours of use on a full charge. Weighing only 1.45 kilograms, it's perfect for an evening stroll around the garden to clear weeds. Order by midnight today for half price. Enjoy a 14-day free trial with a full refund if unsatisfied, plus a 10-year warranty with free replacements for any quality issues. Click now to shop.